Final question of the Unit 5 Stats Probability Test Review. Question number 5 says, the table below shows the results of a study for a new medicine that is supposed to prevent headaches. What is the probability that a randomly selected person from the study, here's our first question, took the medicine and got a headache? So we've got two categories here. Took the medicine, got a headache, and means that both things have to happen. That means we know this is joint probability. And joint probability is we're looking at one space in the middle of the table to get our number, and it's going to be divided by the total number of people in the survey, which is 100. So let's take a look. Took the medicine, here's took the medicine, and got a headache, here is our headache. So there's our connection or a joint probability. 12 people out of 100 took medicine and got a headache, so the fraction is 12 over 100. And if we divide that out, anything over 100 is pretty easy. It's going to be 0.12 or exactly 12%. Alright, how about the next one? Did not get a headache. So did not get a headache. Well, now we only are mentioning one category. That means this must be a marginal probability, which means it's going to look at the total of a column or row divided by the grand total. So I know it's going to be 100 in the bottom, or the denominator. Alright, did not get a headache. Here's no headache. You can't pick these, because that's only part of the no headache row. 48 plus 25, that's 73. 73 people did not get a headache. So our fraction is 73 out of 100. And that's 0.73 or 73%. And then the last question. Took the medicine or did not get a headache. Took the medicine or did not get a headache. Well, if you think about this, took the medicine is a column and no headache is a row, and that means we've got a probability where there is overlap, because took the medicine is going to be the total of this column and no headache is going to be the total of this row, and there's an overlap here. We're double counting. So let's write this down. This is the probability that we took the medicine plus the probability that we had no headache, let's say no ache, but then we have to subtract the probability that we took medicine and we had no ache or no headache. So if you look at those, medicine, no headache, and then medicine and no headache, our number is going to be this. Probability of medicine is, took medicine, there are 60 people who took medicine. People who had no headache, there are 73 people who did not have a headache. And then medicine and no headache, here's medicine and no headache, that's 48. So you've got 60 plus 73 minus 48, and that's going to be equal to 85. So our fraction here is going to be 85 over 100. That's going to be 0.85. which is 85%. So 85% of the people in the survey took the medicine or did not get a headache. Alright, that's the end of the test review.